I'm initiating the installation process for PUBG Battlegrounds. This might take a moment. The installation is now in progress.
Hey Jarvis, can you open a rainy video?
I will open a rainy video on YouTube for you.
You can just mute Jarvis or unmute Jarvis. It's all up to you. What's up guys? In this video I am giving you the new version of Jarvis MARK XXXV with new integrations and new features. I recommend you to watch this video until the end because every information that I will give you in this video is so important and so necessary, because otherwise you always keep asking me why I am getting this error, why my Jarvis is not working, why my libraries are not working and other problems like that. So make sure that you understand every word that I'm telling to you in this video to run your Jarvis model better. So if you understood this part well, then let's skip to the video. First, we created a game updater.py file in our actions folder. With this action folder, you can install every games from Steam and Epic Games in your computer. If you want to see it, let's try. Hey Jarvis, can you install PUBG Battlegrounds?
I'm initiating the installation process for PUBG Battlegrounds. This might take a moment. Understood. The installation is now in progress.
And as you can see, it's installing the PUBG Battlegrounds in our computer. So there's a lot of features in GameUpdater.py, but I'm going to show you other features. And another feature is, especially you asked me to make this feature too much, because whenever you speak, Jarvis is creating answer to you. So the solution to that is muting Jarvis just by pressing this button or just pressing F4. And as you can see, you can just mute Jarvis or unmute Jarvis. It's all up to you. This is just another feature for user interface. And another feature is strong memory of Jarvis. Let's see that. Hey Jarvis, my name is James and my favorite color is red.
Hello, James. I've saved your name and favorite color to memory.
And as you can see, it remembers our informations. So this is actually something like customized Jarvis. So whenever you speak with Jarvis, it always remembers these things. I don't know if you released that, but another feature is keyboard interface. Maybe your microphone is broken, maybe you wanna write to Jarvis to respond to you. So you can just write to Jarvis, for example, hey Jarvis, can you open a rainy video? If you say that,
I will open a rainy video on YouTube for you.
it's just creating and it just opens.
Done.
It's like a Dune for your.
So as you can see, you can speak with Jarvis from your keyboard. For example.
I'm here and ready to help. What can I do for you?
So you can interact with your Jarvis not only from your microphone, but also from your keyboard. And another thing that I made is fixing these action folders, because we got some errors in these sections like dev agent, YouTube video. Whenever you ask Jarvis to open a video from YouTube, it's not opening and other stuff like that. By the way, you can write codes just by asking Jarvis. For example, hey Jarvis, can you create me a snake game?
I will develop a snake game project for you.
And as you can see, it's creating the files and the folders for our game. So it's done, but you gotta open not only main.py, you gotta open the whole structure.
Project Snake Game is now complete.
So you gotta open Jarvis projects in Visual Studio Code. And then you gotta open the snake game. And as you can see, it's creating the folders and files in this section, but it's a demo version actually. It's not creating really great things, but it helps with your projects. So let me show you how we can run this Jarvis MARK XXXV model step by step. First, go to my GitHub link and then install zip file like that, and then go to File Explorer, click right, extract all, extract, and then go Visual Studio Code, and then open folder in the downloads section. Make sure you are using Python 3.11 or 3.12 version. And then go to main.py and then click F5. But of course, first you gotta run the setup.py to install some libraries that you don't have. And then go to this section and then paste your API key and then initialize the system and interact with Jarvis. Hey Jarvis, what's up?
Hello, I'm ready to assist. How can I help you today?
Jarvis, open a relax video.
Playing a relax video, Forger.
So as you can see, you can just run our Jarvis model in just 1 minute. It's not that hard. By the way, you gotta get the API key from the Google AI Studio, create API key just by clicking this section, and then your API key will be ready. And then copy your API key right here, and then go and paste your API key when you run the Jarvis model. By the way, the most important mistake that you shouldn't do is make sure that you installed Python 3.11 version, and make sure that you installed every libraries in this section by running setup.py. Otherwise, you are, like I said, you are keep getting this error and you're always asking me in the Instagram. But if you made all these actions, all these steps that I showed you in this video and you still getting errors, then you can just tell me in the comment section, or you can just tell me in the Instagram, or you can join our VOP community and you can ask me in here, or you can ask other people like you to get help. So if you liked the video and if you loved my Jarvis model, don't forget to like video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to join our VOP community. We are always gonna improve this Jarvis model. I couldn't improve this Jarvis for a month because there was a Ramadan Eid and there was another things that I have to do in my life. So, but like I said, we will improve this Jarvis model day by day and week by week. And in the next video, we will make Jarvis Mark 40 model. So don't forget to follow to see more videos.